shopping for electronics.
Welcome to our electronics store. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a new laptop.
Sure. What do you use a laptop for?
I use it for work, studying, and watching videos.
Then I can show you a few good options.
That would be great.
This laptop is very popular with students and office workers.
It looks nice. How much does it cost?
It costs $600.
Does it have enough storage?
Yes, it comes with 500 gigabytes of storage.
That sounds good.
It also has a long battery life.
How many hours can the battery last?
About 10 hours with normal use.
That is important for me.
Would you also like to see another model?
Yes, please.
This one is faster and has a larger screen.
I like the larger screen size.
It's great for work and entertainment.
Is it much more expensive?
It is $100 more.
I see. Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, both laptops have a 1-year warranty.
That is good to know.
We also offer technical support.
That sounds helpful.
Would you like to compare the two models?
Yes, I want to make the best choice.
Of course, I can explain the differences.
Thank you. I think I will choose the second laptop.
Excellent choice. I will prepare it for you.
Asking for help at work.
Good morning. You look a little busy today.
Good morning. Yes, I need some help with a task.
Of course. What do you need help with?
I am working on a report for our manager.
I can help. What part is difficult?
I am not sure how to organize the information.
Let me take a look.
Thank you. I would appreciate that.
First, create a clear title for the report.
Okay, that makes sense.
Then add the main points in separate sections.
That sounds much easier.
Use simple headings for each section.
Should I include charts?
Yes, if they help explain the information.
Great idea.
Keep the report clear and easy to read.
I understand.
Also, check your numbers carefully.
I will do that.
When is the report due?
It is due tomorrow morning.
You still have enough time.
I was worried about finishing it.
Do not worry, you are doing well.
Thank you for saying that.
If you finish the draft, I can review it.
That would help me a lot.
We all help each other here.
I'm glad to hear that.
Teamwork makes work easier.
That is very true.
Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. I feel much more confident now. Doing laundry. Hello. Do you need help with the laundry machines?
Yes, please. It is my first time using them.
No problem. I can show you the process.
Thank you. I was not sure where to start.
First, separate your clothes by color.
Why is that important?
Dark clothes can sometimes affect light clothes.
I understand.
Next, place the clothes into the washing machine.
Like this?
Yes, that looks correct.
What should I do now?
Add laundry detergent to this section.
How much detergent should I use?
Follow the instructions on the bottle.
Okay, what comes next?
Choose the washing cycle.
Which cycle should I select?
For everyday clothes, the normal cycle is fine.
Great, that seems simple.
Now press the start button.
The machine is running now.
Yes, it will take about 40 minutes.
What should I do after washing?
Move the clothes to the dryer.
Do I need to separate them again?
No, just place them in the dryer.
How long should I dry them?
Usually about 45 minutes.
That sounds easy enough.
After drying, fold the clothes neatly.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. You learned very quickly.
I feel like a laundry expert now.
Planning a vacation.
Have you thought about your vacation plans?
Yes, I want to take a trip next month.
That sounds exciting. Where would you like to go?
I am thinking about visiting a beach city.
A beach vacation sounds relaxing.
I want some time away from work.
How many days will you travel?
I'm planning a 1-week vacation.
That is a good amount of time.
Do you have any destination suggestions?
You could visit Miami or San Diego.
Both places sound interesting.
Miami has beautiful beaches and nightlife.
That sounds fun.
San Diego has great weather and many attractions.
I like both options.
Have you checked transportation costs?
Not yet. I need to compare prices.
Flights are usually cheaper if you book early.
That is good advice.
Have you chosen a hotel?
No, but I want a hotel near the beach.
That will make your trip more convenient.
I agree.
What activities do you want to do?
I want to swim, relax, and explore the city.
That sounds like a perfect vacation.
I also want to stay within my budget.
Planning ahead can help save money.
You are right.
So, which destination are you leaning toward?
I think I will choose San Diego.
Excellent choice. I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Visiting a friend.
Welcome. It is great to see you today.
Thank you. It is nice to visit you.
Please come in and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Your home looks very nice.
I'm glad you like it.
It feels warm and welcoming.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. A glass of water would be great.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
How have you been lately?
I have been very busy with work.
I understand. Work has been busy for me too.
It is nice to relax and visit a friend.
I agree. Good company makes the day better.
That is true.
How was your trip here?
It was easy. The traffic was not bad.
That is good to hear.
Your neighborhood is very quiet.
Yes, that is one reason I like living here.
It seems like a peaceful place.
It really is.
Have you lived here for a long time?
About 3 years now.
That is a good amount of time.
Let me show you around the house.
I would like that.
This is the living room where I spend most of my time.
It looks very comfortable and cozy.
Thank you. I enjoy relaxing here.
I am happy I came to visit today.